Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. My camera's going woo. Quick tip for you when you're making a project, like I'm making one here with the Tonics, I think it's kit 15. I've got some mirror card here and I don't want to use this whole piece since it's just going to be covered up by this, and I thought, that's a lot of usable space in the middle. So what you do is just see how much of a border you need there. So I have about 1/4 of an inch. And then I've got an X-Acto knife, blade, and just like a old rotary cutting mat here that I had that you can see has been tortured. And then I just want to cut out just enough that I'm able to glue down my piece. So if you need to mark it with a pencil, you can do that. If you want to do it on the back side, maybe we'll do that just to be sure. That you leave yourself enough space that if you need a little overhang to glue. So I would say it's safe to come in, okay, and then I remove that piece, and then I just want to be sure with my ruler. Nice thing to have in your craft room is a nice strong metal ruler. This one looks like it was from Target, but it wasn't expensive, but it's a nice durable ruler there. Okay, so I need to come in at least this much, and I need to come in there. So I want to make sure that my square is on the inside of those markings, and then I just go ahead and cut myself out a square. And then I'll have a nice little, I can make flowers from it or whatnot. Then I don't feel like I'm wasting all of that space, right? Because we paid for that space, so you might as well get something second turn out of there. So I'm just turning it around and around. Okay. And then I can just go ahead and pop that right out, and now I have a piece of cardstock. I keep a bin full of odds and ends of my specialty foiling, glitter, all these sorts of cardstocks rather than my regular cardstock. And then I've got enough space to go ahead. I probably could have cut just a little bit more, but then I have a good sturdy base for my other piece still without wasting all this extra cardstock. And if you need to, you can use it to cut out whatever elements you're layering on top. So just a quick tip for this holiday season, just to make sure that we're making the most of our supplies so we can have our money to spend. It's an expensive time of the year. But anyway, hopefully that helps you. A quick little reminder there. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Have a great day.